I wanted to make a quick video before I box this up and send it out. Looks like it's the end of a experiment for me on this one. So ultimately, EcoFlow stopped manufacturing this mower. It looks like they're not offering replacements or honoring their warranty. Instead, what EcoFlow is doing, instead of honoring their warranty, they're offering partial refunds. And because it's such an expensive mower, it's really the best I could get. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my partial refund and pay for a mowing service like I have been for the last 3 weeks. And you know, it's a shame because I won't get the bag. I really like the bagging feature. We're seeing other mowing gizmos coming out with the bagging feature, and I'm interested to see those. You know, Segway has a new mower. I got a buddy who's trying out the Segway mower, and you know, I'm following his journey as much as I can, so I can understand, you know, how he's doing with it. But yeah, I mean, it's really unfortunate that it's been such a failure. I thought it was a pretty slick machine. I really liked the job it did, but ultimately the durability of the machine was so subpar that they had to send out so many replacements. It's probably not profitable for them to send out 5 replacements, you know, one every season for people. So it doesn't make much sense to me. It's really unfortunate. But, you know, not everything's a win. Sometimes you just got to lose. I'll try to come up with another solution in the future about a permaculturist compatible lawnmower. That's really my goal with this lightweight electric robotic lawnmower, is the permaculture aspect of doing the least amount of touching possible and still being in compliance with my HOA regulations and the city regulations. If I could, I would just let my entire yard grow 10 feet tall, because that's what happens in nature. And I would hopefully, all the grass would die and we could return to a prairie like what was here centuries ago. But we're not seeing that here. We're not seeing that this summer. We're seeing monoculture filth, and we'll keep on. I do like the clovers taking over, and I'm not killing anything. I'm not killing the dandelions. I hope the clover takes over the whole yard. And my sunflowers just keep volunteering to come up. Look at that one there. And these guys here, you can't see very well. If you look this angle, yeah. And there's a bindweed seems to be creeping all over everything. I need to go pull the bindweed out. That's probably the 4th time that we've had volunteer wheat come up. I planted some wheat a few years ago as a cover crop, and it just keeps coming up. And I'm fine with that, though. We'll just put it into the compost as we do and carry on. It's turning too much of a ramble. Sorry.